When you expect the very best, we provide the very best. We run the hoses from the truck to the inside of your house or business. Your drapery are thoroughly vacuumed to remove all the loose dirt and dust. Both front side and back side. After vacuuming the loose dust and dirt from your drapery, we then apply a dry cleaning solvent. After the solvent has been applied, it is then extracted with the powerful truck-mounted equipment, which creates a lot more vacuum than portable equipment. After the process is complete, your drapery will then look fresh and smell fresh and ready to be used.